Hi guys, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel, The Daily DIYer. This is one of my absolute favorite collabs that I'm bringing you today. Courtney over at Creative on the Cheap puts these together. They are mystery Dollar Tree unboxings. So several of us YouTube ladies have all joined together and sent each other mystery boxes filled with things. We have no idea what's in there, but they're all items from Dollar Tree. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox this, show you the items. I have to figure out what to do with them and how to recreate them. And then at the end of this video, you'll wanna go down into the description box and click on the playlist link because it will take you to the next person in line. So I sent mine to Courtney. My box is actually from Jennifer from A Little Bit of Common Crazy. And what you'll do is you'll go through all of these videos that are going to be boxes filled with stuff we're all gonna unbox, show you what's in there, and then get creative with it. So let me show you what came in my box from Jennifer. So I literally have not opened this box yet. Have no idea what's in here. So first is a little note, which I think is super duper sweet. I'm gonna read that to myself and keep that to myself. And let's see what's in the box. First of all, I see Christmas, so that makes me super excited. Oh my gosh, my Dollar Tree does not have this. It says Merry Christmas, a little ornament. If you guys don't know, I have a Christmas channel, a whole channel devoted to Christmas called the Cozy Christmas Cottage. I'll put that down in the description box too, so you wanna make sure to go check out that channel too. So I'm excited to see, oh, there's another Christmas item. I'm excited. I totally will do some Christmas DIYs. Two of these, I love these. The little metal on the inside with the frame. These are amazing. I have some pom-poms. Pretty much a craft staple, right? This I love, anything that's like wood. We're all woodworkers, so these are super fun to work with. This one says, happiness is you. Now this, I have seen these before. I've never grabbed them because I had no idea what to do with them. It is literally like a ceramic globe, black, maybe thinking like chalkboard or something, so that's cool. Definitely have to get creative with that. I also see some more Christmas. Some little wood Christmas pieces that are adhesive on the back, or they have the little foam dots on the back. So there's some stockings, candy canes, some mittens. Definitely get creative with those. Just thinking about all the things that I sent over to Courtney in her box. You guys are gonna wanna for sure go watch it. She's gonna laugh when she sees some of the stuff I put in there. Some wood. I needed more of these anyway, and I couldn't find them in my Dollar Tree. They're wood planks. She knows we love wood. We love working with wood. So this is a definite must staple piece in our craft stash. And then what you guys don't know is that there's also two items that we had to send that are challenge items. So these are items that are kind of unique that probably would take a lot of extra creativity to use. And so she's wrapped mine in super cute paper. Buffalo check, and one says, well, let's look at this one. It says only open if you are feeling really Christmas brave. Let's see. This is gonna be something funny, I bet. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm feeling Christmas brave. I can do that. This is a dust mop pad. It looks like snow. That's fun. So, okay, I can totally handle that. This one also says only open if you're feeling Christmas brave. So this is my other challenge item. I love this because it's like Christmas. You open your little like present. Oh, cool. She didn't give me that bad of challenge items, Jennifer. You don't scare me too bad. Look, buffalo check storage bin. How cool. All right, so I totally can handle this. So now I gotta get crafty with these items. So let's go ahead and jump into these Dollar Tree DIYs. All right, it's been a couple days, got my thoughts together, got my projects all laid out and prepared. Let's jump into these 5 Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs. All right, so first I'm gonna make a rustic countdown chalkboard using the frame. These little, they're like sticky back wooden pieces, and one of the planks that Jennifer sent me. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually cut down my plank so it'll fit in here. paint it with my chalkboard paint, and then I'll embellish with my little stickers. would love to have you join our DIY family here. So please select that subscribe button, and you can also hit the bell next to it and select all so you're one of the very first to see when new inspiration is released. Now we usually start counting down the days until Christmas on December 1st here in our home. However, I would love to hear when you start your Christmas countdown. You can leave those down in the comments below. We are actually going to start the Christmas countdown over on my Cozy Christmas Cottage Instagram account the end of October. So if you'd like to join us as we count down the days till Christmas, make sure to check the description box below where I will have a link so you can come over and enjoy that daily countdown with us over there. So my first thought when I saw this buffalo check storage bin was it'd be perfect to put a little Christmas tree in and kind of cover up the base. So what I'm going to do is I have a seam ripper from my sewing kit. I'm going to remove the handle off the front, and then I have this on hand. It's a microfiber cloth from Dollar Tree. It's super soft, white and fluffy. It kind of reminds me of snow, so I'm going to use that to put on the inside to kind of cover up the base of the tree. Now we're gonna work with this ceramic globe thing. I don't even know if it's like chalkboard or whatever, but it's black. I'm gonna paint mine white, and I'm gonna make mine look like a Rae Dunn style ornament. So I created a decal for the front after it's painted white. And then this is a big clear ornament from Dollar Tree. I'm actually just gonna pop the top off of this and glue it onto the top of that, and we're gonna make our own sort of Rae Dunn style ceramic shelf sitting ornament. I actually have seen these in like Marshalls and Home Goods and things during the holidays, and they run, I want to say, like $12 or more. So we're gonna make ours for only about $2. Let's go ahead and start painting. Now I did have to give this about 3 coats of the white chalk paint just to make sure I had covered up all of the black underneath. Just make sure to let your paint dry in between coats all of the way so you don't get a clumpy effect. Now I'm going to start working on the top of the ornament. I did have to snip off some of the ends of the wire at the top, but I wanted to leave the wire, so I just trimmed it down. And then I didn't want it to get squished, so I found a wood bead and I just painted that white. While that paint was drying, I decided to add the decal to the front of my little globe here. And this is just a matte black vinyl that I use the font, the Skinny, which is the kind of similar to the Rae Dunn style font. When you add your decals, you want to add them by going from the middle to the top and then go back to the middle and then go down to the bottom. Anything that is round like this takes a little bit of patience to add a decal to, but it's definitely doable. And now I am adding the wood bead and hot gluing it into that metal topper. I added some hot glue to the bottom of the bead, and that is what is going to attach to the top of the ornament. That way our ornament topper doesn't squish, and then you don't see a bunch of hot glue all the way around the rim of that topper. And last, I just tied a little bit of ribbon to that topper so it looked just like an ornament. Now we're gonna work with this little house, and I think I'm going to take these flowers off the front, flip it over the back, take the stickers off, and turn it into a little gingerbread house. So to do that, I have a paint stir stick. I will link these down in the description box because you guys see me use these quite a bit, and you can get them on Amazon pretty inexpensively. And they last a long time, so you can do lots of crafts with them. So check the description box for that. I have my miter saw and my miter box and hand saw out. I also link this down in the description box because you see me use that a lot to cut down things like my paint stir sticks. And then I have my white chalk paint and a chalk marker as well, so we can transform this cute Dollar Tree house. If stickers drive you crazy, give this video a thumbs up. They definitely do me. It's one of my biggest pet peeves, but a viewer was kind enough to give me the suggestion of taking a hairdryer to melt the adhesive off the back of your stickers before you remove them, and then they pop right off. And then you can take some Goo Gone and remove any additional adhesive off the back. Much easier way to get rid of stickers. Now at this point, I am using my paint stir stick to create a roof, and my miter box and handsaw again to cut down the stir sticks. I cut one side first because the second side you're going to want to make just a little bit longer so that way it overlaps at the point in the top. And now let's make a cute little snowball stand using this mop head, the little white pom-poms, some of the wooden planks. I created a decal, which I will have available in my Etsy shop. Check the description box for a link over to that. I also have my white chalk paint, and I'll put it all together with my hot glue.